In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use email aliases in Proton Mail. Email aliases are alternate addresses that deliver to the same inbox. They're great for organizing signups, protecting your primary address, and spotting where unwanted messages originate, all without creating a new account. Start by opening Proton Mail and signing in so you're on your inbox. From here, look to the top right of the screen and click the Settings toggle icon. This opens a quick menu, but we want the full view, so choose All Settings. That will take you to the main settings area where everything is organized in the left sidebar. In the sidebar, select Identity and Addresses. This is where Proton Mail keeps your sending identities and all the addresses linked to your account. Scroll down until you see the section called My Addresses. This list shows your primary address and any additional addresses that you can use as aliases. Think of each one as a doorway into the same mailbox. Using a different doorway for each service you sign up for makes it easy to sort your mail and understand who has your contact information. Find the address you want to use as an alias and copy it. There's typically a copy option right beside it, but you can also highlight and copy it manually. A quick tip: choose an address that you'll remember for the context you're using it in, like one you dedicate to newsletters or shopping, so it's instantly recognizable when messages arrive. Now, head to the website or app where you want to create an account or subscribe. When you're asked for an email, paste the alias you just copied. Any messages sent to that alias will arrive in your Proton Mail inbox, and you'll immediately know which address was used based on the recipient line in the message. That's it. You've selected an alias from your Proton Mail settings and used it to sign up elsewhere. Repeat this whenever you want to keep services separated, reduce clutter, and maintain better control over your inbox.